Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add products to your Instagram shop. So let's get started. So it is very easy to add the products to your Instagram shop. So first of all, go and open your Instagram. So make sure your Instagram is in your business mode or business there. Okay, just go click on here, and then as you can see here, your other things. So when you will just click on here plus icon, as you can see as a post. Okay, so if you see here your post, you have to go and select one post or the product image. Then after there you have to link that product into your Shopify or any website where you will sell, and it will show into your Instagram post. So this is how to add the products in your Instagram shop or post. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.